The Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV. Lodge is an American-made brand since 1896, and it is a leading brand in high-quality cast iron pans. Lodge celebrates over 100 years of flavorful cooking.
It is best for slow cooking, deep frying, and baking from your stovetop. Heat is captured for the juiciest and tastiest meats, and it's also perfect for your everyday cooking needs because you have a deep skillet, a griddle, and when combined, a Dutch oven all in one set.
The Lodge Combo Cooker is superior in heat retention and distribution, and it is brutally tough for decades of use, so you can pass it on from generation to generation. It is also perfect to use on any cooking appliance: electric, gas, glass, induction, oven, campfire, grill, whatever you name it.
The Lodge Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV for only 3,695 pesos or 3 easy payments of 1,232 pesos per month. So what are you waiting for? Dial the number on your screens and get your very own Lodge Combo Cooker. Hello and welcome to Shop TV. My name is Mika Pineda.
And I am Janina Van Hoven.
Jans, words like slow cooking, deep frying, baking, di ba nakaka-intimidate?
Ako, alam mo, maiiyak na lang ako. I can't do that.
Especially for somebody who's not really used to the kitchen. Or
Yes.
words like roast chicken, roast beef. Yung parang feeling mo, nako, it's so expensive to make. And at the same time, it takes a lot of, expensive equipment. It takes a lot of time.
Yes, alam mo, yung mga words na gano'n, yung mga roast beef, slow cooking, sabihin ko na lang, let's go to the restaurant. Kasi una-una, I don't have those things, as you said. And second, being a working mom, I don't have the time to really dedicate the entire day in the kitchen. Kaya Mix, alam mo, I'm excited because on Shop TV, we understand our viewers, we understand your concerns. So syempre, we want you to experience this flavorful cooking at your own convenience and at such an easy way.
Yeah,
diba?
basically giving them what they need.
Yes, so here we have the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker. Napaka-exciting because this is perfect for all those who love to eat, but also for those who don't know how to cook. So what is it? It is a combo cast iron cooking set that allows you to make food like a Dutch oven. So basically what it does is it helps you slow cook your food and helps you bake on your stovetop. So here we have two things. You have the cast iron deep skillet, which is perfect for making mga soups, making mga broths,
Mga stew, yung mga
yes,
ganyan.
mga stew, but also allows you to deep fry. And apart from that, we also have this cast iron griddle, which is perfect for mga frying or for searing. So really, this allows you to make all kinds of food, all kinds of flavors with just this combo cooking set.
But it's not just any combo cooker. It's a Lodge cast iron cooker.
Yes.
Which means that you are getting the top brand and high quality cast iron pans. When it comes to Lodge, it's something very, very reliable because this has been in, the family for 100 years. They are very, very reliable for 100 years of flavorful cooking because it was established in 1896.
Naku, Mika, ang tagal na
Grabe,
nun.
diba?
Ang daming niluluto mo na dyan. In 100 years, there's so many flavors that you perfected.
In South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, which is also known for Southern cooking. They're known all over the world for Southern cooking. And I personally own a few Lodge products. And this has been, something that you really pass on from generation to generation.
Right. At alam mo, there's something that you said that I feel is so perfect for us. When you say Southern cooking, alam mo natin, Southern cooking is so flavorful. And here in the Philippines, we love our flavors, diba? Lahat mga sauces, ganon. And Southern cooking is all about family and passing on traditions, which is very Filipino. Kaya this is perfect for us. And here on Shop TV, we really are the gift that keeps on giving because we are offering this to you at such an affordable price. For just 3,695 pesos, the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker can be yours. And this is not just about making flavorful meals at one time, but this is something that you can pass on. So para siyang heirloom from generation to generation. And because we know it's near Christmas time, we want you to get it today. So we are offering you 3 easy payment installations of just 1,232 pesos per month. So can you imagine? This really is something that you need and something that you can get. At alam mo, Mix, I'm excited because just looking at it, I know that it is something so special and I know the food that we'll make with it is so yummy. Kaya let's test and try the food with our Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker set. Chef Michelle San Miguel to demonstrate to us the superior cooking of the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooking Set. Welcome and thank you for joining us, Chef.
Hi, Chef.
Welcome.
Okay, so what we have right now in front of me is actually the griddle. And with the cast iron, it really is #1 when it comes to heat retention and heat distribution. What does this mean, no? You don't have to worry about, ay nako, baka hilaw yung meat mo sa gitna or sunog sa isang side, because it will cook your food evenly at a shorter amount of time.
Yes.
Ayan, makikita natin
Let's
now.
see kung gaano
Chef is
siya-
putting, whoa!
Wow!
She's putting
Tingnan mo yan!
water, but now the water just quickly
Tingnan mo
evaporates
yan!
and sizzles because you can tell na napakainit talaga nung pan.
Alam mo, instant yun, mix.
I
It's not something that you
know.
experience with your regular griddles.
And now
So,
we are going to be trying its cooking capabilities with a very, very delicious steak na naku, tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig talaga tayo sa karne.
Mahilig
ito-
ako sa steak mix,
Ako
pero
rin,
ako natatakot
super.
ako because this is something na if you don't cook it well from the inside out, sayang yung pera mo sa steak kasi mahal yung steak.
You can tell that with this, because of the heat retention and distribution, not only will it cook your meat evenly, but at the same time, it allows the meat to lock in its flavors inside. So you shouldn't worry about the juice of your steak coming out of the meat unnecessarily.
Yes, at tinan mo, Mix, tinan mo yan. Actually, the great thing about this is it really does cook it thoroughly
Wow.
from the inside outside. Now, tinan mo, normally when you cook steak, it's something that takes such a long time and it's
Yeah,
so
but
intimidating to
with
do.
this-
You just go to the restaurant,
Yes,
diba? Pero
oo.
ngayon, with our Lodge Cast Iron Griddle, look at that!
Oh my golly,
Oh my
it looks so
goodness!
delicious.
It looks so good!
And I'm sure wala kang side na sunog because of that even heat and distribution.
Yes! And I'm sure from the inside out, it is tender, it is juicy, it is flavorful.
For sure.
Now, look
Ayan,
what-
you can see na parang, wow.
Oh, sarap-sarap
Chef is
yan!
really putting pa like its juices on top of the meat to really, you know,
Lock it
enhance
in.
that flavor.
At alam mo,
Lock it in, yeah.
the great thing about this is Chef hardly did anything at all. Normally, you add mga seasoning, but this one is just purely the meat itself. And here, Chef
She's
is
adding
adding
the
some of the
vegetables.
vegetables, and she's cooking it in the same
So,
pan.
yeah, so it's like you're cooking 2 dishes in the same pan. So, less yung hugasan
Yes.
mo, diba?
At alam mo, yung great thing, yeah, the other good thing about this is the steak, even though it cooks at its own time, because we're adding the vegetables later on, you're able to serve an entire meal in just one pan and transfer it from stove to table.
Okay, so let's
there.
move
So
on
let's
to this
hear
next dish.
The other great feature about the Lodge Cast Iron Set is that you're able to do slow cooking. So yung mga beef caldereta na sobrang family favorite dito sa Pilipinas is something that really takes a lot of time and effort. But because the pan on top really does seal the heat, what it does is you're able to cook the beef faster so it's tender and still flavorful because all the heat is inside.
Oh, because
And-
nagiging pressurized yung cooking dun sa loob.
Exactly. At itong feature na to, Mix, siguro ito yung pinaka-paborito kong
Oh,
feature.
because, you know, some of us get so intimidated with baking. But when it comes to the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker, you can actually bake from your stovetop. Baked mac, baked pasta, lasagna, all of those mga cornbread, shepherd's pie, pwede nyo nang gawin from your stovetop. And now we have chicken pastel or chicken
Favorite
pot
ko.
pie.
Chef,
And-
can I try? I
Yeah,
can't
of
resist.
course.
Alam mo, I wish our audience could smell this kasi talagang it really does. It smells like restaurant quality. So I have to try this
Yes,
because it's,
ay nako, you can really tell, no, it's so
oh
fresh.
my goodness. It is so creamy. It is so juicy and there's so much
Parang sarap
flavors
na
in
sarap ka
there.
talaga dyan, Jans. Naiinggit na ako,
I'm
ah.
gonna finish this later. Pero alam mo, there's so
But
much.
the #1 thing pa with this is you can put it inside the oven so you can actually really bake with your cast iron pan.
Yes, and I'm so excited because now the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV. So it's not just us and our loves and who can benefit from this, but really all of our viewers. This is an early Christmas gift. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phones and call the number on your screen because we have an exclusive Shop TV price of just 3,695 pesos. But wait, we want you to get it today, so we are offering it with 3 easy payment installations of just 1,232 pesos. And this flavorful cooking can be yours today. The Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV. Lodge is an American-made brand since 1896, and it is a leading brand in high-quality cast iron pans. Lodge celebrates over 100 years of flavorful cooking.
It is best for slow cooking, deep frying, and baking from your stovetop. Heat is captured for the juiciest and tastiest meats, and it's also perfect for your everyday cooking needs because you have a deep skillet, a griddle, and when combined, a Dutch oven all in one set.
The Lodge Combo Cooker is superior in heat retention and distribution, and it is brutally tough for decades of use, so you can pass it on from generation to generation. It is also perfect to use on any cooking appliance: electric, gas, glass, induction, oven, campfire, grill, whatever you name it.
The Lodge Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV for only 3,695 pesos or 3 easy payments of 1,232 pesos per month. So what are you waiting for? Dial the number on your screens and get your very own Lodge Combo Cooker. And now Chef Michelle is gonna show us how else we can use the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker. Kung ano pang mga meals yung pwede nating lutuin dito. So now we have baked chicken meatballs and pasta. Wow, baked pasta is something that's a really great snack. Diba yung mga may kids dyan sa bahay. But what is nice with the combo cooker is that because of its lid, the flavors are sealed inside. It allows you to bake even on your stove top. So now, ito na.
Will you try it? Alam
Yes,
mo, normally
this is
mix
the
when we
best
make our
part.
baked pasta at home, we always have to use the oven. Kasi nga, di ba mahirap siya if you do, it's almost impossible to do it with your stovetop. But now this is,
Now, talaga makita
this
mo,
makes
sobrang
it so
tender
much
nung
easier.
pasta.
Wow! At saka alam mo, I wish everyone could smell it. It really does smell like a masterpiece. Kamusta?
Wow. Talo pa yung restaurant. Really, ang sarap.
At ang bango. Okay, I'm gonna have some of that later. Here, we have a Filipino favorite, which is fried chicken. At ang
Chicken
pinaka-perfect
wings.
dito is with the deep skillet. It allows for deep frying. So perfect siya because what it does, because of the heat retention, it perfectly cooks your chicken from the inside out. So sobrang tender siya sa loob. Tapos sa labas, sobrang crispy ng skin at saka golden brown siya. And because of the heat retention, it actually does cut your cooking time. So you're able to spend more time with your kids instead of spending the entire day in the kitchen. And as you can see,
Wow,
Chef
yan na,
Michelle
the
is
Asian
putting
chicken
in,
wings.
putting in the sauce and mixing it around. And actually, this was just prepared a few minutes ago. And perfect
It's
na
so
perfect
quick.
na talaga siya.
Grabe,
It's
really
so
does cut your cooking time, no?
Yeah, at
And look, ang bilis niyang
Tingnan mo yan.
mag-golden.
Tingnan mo yan.
So
Ang
you're
ganda.
sure na walang masusunog, it's crispy, it's cooked
Yes.
evenly, at hindi siya hilaw sa gitna.
And as we said a while ago, you really get restaurant quality style of cooking and restaurant quality flavor in your own home.
And also now, we are about to sear pork loin wrapped in bacon.
Wow!
We're searing it sa griddle. No? What's very, very important with the searing on a cast iron, the flavor is retained inside your meat. Because nga of the high heat and the distribution and the retention, alam mo na yung flavor niya, the juices come out, making your food tastier and more even. Grabe talaga, you can really tell that, the browning is just perfect. It even really cuts your cooking time and makes your dishes even juicier and flavorful.
Yes, alam mo, I'm so excited to try these. I'm sure our viewers at home would like to try their own special recipes and enjoy restaurant quality style cooking too. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phones and call the number on your screen today to get your very own Lodge Cast Iron Combo set. Here on Shop TV, we are offering it at such an exclusive price of just 3,695 pesos. And this is something you can pass on from generation to generation. And because Christmas is coming soon, we're offering 3 easy payment installations of just 1,232 pesos. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phones and dial the number on your screen today.
such a feast in front of us. Grabe yung handaan dito. Napakasarap talaga and flavorful because of the Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker, which allows you not to cook your meats very evenly because of that heat retention and perfect heat distribution. So alam mo, hindi ka masusunugan at hindi hilaw yung gitna. And at the same time, it allows you to slow cook, which because of the lid, allows that pressurized cooking, which tenderizes your meat. And
At saka sobrang flavorful niya, no? So parang simmer siya in its own juices. So talagang flavor from inside to out.
fall off the bone, very, very tender talaga. At ito, favorite function ko to eh. At the same time, you can bake using your combo cooker because you can put it inside the oven or you can use it stove top, which allows you to make those baked pasta dishes and really just really good meals that allows you to cook with that kind of Dutch oven technology.
Yes, at alam mo, Mix, ang great thing about this is there really is a 3-in-1 function. Bakit natin sinasabi yun? Una-una, because you can actually use these together or apart. So you have the deep skillet here, which is perfect for deep frying or mga sopas, for all kinds of broths. And then you also have our griddle, which is perfect for frying, for searing, iba't iba. Like you can fit whatever recipe and whatever meal you can think of, pwede mo siyang gawin dito. And if you combine them together, yun talaga yung magic because it works like a Dutch oven. So perfect siya for slow cooking and really brings out all the flavors of the food. Kaya excited ako because Christmas came early here on Shop TV. Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker is now available for just 3,695 pesos. And this is such an investment because it's something you can pass on from generation to generation. At as a Christmas special, we are offering it at 3 easy payment installations of just 1,232 pesos per month. So really talk about the gift that keeps on giving. It's not just about flavorful food. It's really about sharing this with your loved ones and, you know, passing it from one to another.
Napakagaan talaga sa bulsa. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste any time and dial the number on your screens and get your very own Lodge Combo Cooker today. But you can also order online at www.shoptv.com.ph and follow us on our socials on Facebook and Instagram at ShopTVPH so that you're updated with our promos and the latest products.
Yes. Again, thank you so much for joining us. This has been Janina Van Hoven.
And I'm Mika Pineda.
Hope to see you again soon, only here on Shop TV. The Lodge Cast Iron Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV. Lodge is an American-made brand since 1896, and it is a leading brand in high-quality cast iron pans. Lodge celebrates over 100 years of flavorful cooking.
It is best for slow cooking, deep frying, and baking from your stovetop. Heat is captured for the juiciest and tastiest meats, and is also perfect for your everyday cooking needs because you have a deep skillet, a griddle, and when combined, a Dutch oven all in one set.
The Lodge Combo Cooker is superior in heat retention and distribution, and it is brutally tough for decades of use, so you can pass it on from generation to generation. It is also perfect to use on any cooking appliance: electric, gas, glass, induction, oven, campfire, grill, whatever you name it.
The Lodge Combo Cooker is available here on Shop TV for only 3,695 pesos or 3 easy payments of 1,232 pesos per month. So what are you waiting for? Dial the number on your screens and get your very own Lodge Combo Cooker.